Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect iGPSPORT to Strava. First, open your iGPSPORT app or log into the web platform. Navigate to the Me or Profile section, usually found at the bottom right or top left of the screen. This is where you'll find your personal settings and options for integrating with other services. Make sure you have your iGPSPORT device synced and your account ready for the next step. Once in your settings, look for an option like third-party services, account connection, or app authorization. Select this option, and you should see a list of available platforms. Find Strava and tap or click to initiate the connection. You'll be prompted to log into your Strava account and grant iGPSPORT permission to access your activity data. Confirm these permissions to proceed. After successfully authorizing, your iGPSPORT activities will begin to sync automatically with Strava. This means your rides, runs, and other workouts will appear on your Strava feed without manual uploading. To verify the connection, open your Strava app or website and check your recent activities. If you encounter any issues, double-check your permissions or try disconnecting and reconnecting the services. It's usually a straightforward process. Connecting iGPSPORT to Strava offers fantastic benefits, centralizing your fitness data and allowing you to share achievements with your community. You can leverage Strava's robust analysis tools and social features for all your iGPSPORT recorded efforts. A pro tip: regularly check both apps to ensure seamless data flow, especially after any app updates. Enjoy tracking your progress and connecting with fellow athletes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.